The park is beautiful. Look at the flowers.
I can see some ducks. Good morning, Emma.
Good morning, Dad.
The weather is wonderful today.
Yes, it's very sunny.
Do you want to go on a picnic?
Yes, I'd love to.
Let's prepare some food.
What should we make?
Let's make sandwiches.
Great idea!
Can you wash the apples?
Sure, Mom.
I'll pack the drinks.
I'll help you.
Don't forget the cookies.
I won't forget.
We also need a blanket.
Oh, I'll get it.
Everything is ready now.
Let's go.
Get in the car.
I'm in.
Everyone has their seatbelt on?
Yes, Mom.
The park is not far away.
That's good. Look at the birds. They are flying high.
We are almost there.
I can't wait.
Here we are.
The park is beautiful.
Let's find a quiet place.
How about under that tree?
That's a perfect spot.
Let's sit here. Let's sit here.
I like this place.
Spread the blanket.
Okay, it's ready.
Nice work.
Are you hungry?
Yes, very hungry.
Here's a sandwich.
Thank you.
Have some juice too.
Thanks, Mom.
Is the sandwich good?
It's delicious. Try these cookies.
They taste great.
Let's walk around the park.
That's a good idea. Look at the flowers. They are so colorful.
Can you smell them?
Yes, they smell nice. Look at the lake.
It's very pretty.
I can see some ducks.
They're swimming.
Let's play a game.
What game?
Let's play catch.
Okay. Throw the ball to me.
Here you go. Nice throw.
Thank you. You're getting better. I'm practicing a lot.
Let's take some pictures.
I love taking pictures.
Smile for the camera. Cheese.
That was a good photo.
Can I see it?
Of course. I look happy.
Because you are happy.
That's true.
The sun is going down.
Time went so fast.
Did you enjoy the picnic?
Yes, very much.
What was your favorite part?
Playing games with you.
Mine was the walk.
I loved the family photos.
We should come again.
We definitely will.
Let's pack everything. I'll help.
Thank you, Emma.
You're welcome.
The park was wonderful.
I agree.
Ready to go home?
Yes, Dad.
What a lovely day! It was the best family picnic ever!